welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here for the first time, then hello, welcome. In today's video, I am filming a fun decorate and DIY with me. Now I'm going to be sharing a couple places here in our home that I added some spring touches to, and I'm also going to be sharing with you 4 DIYs that you can either keep for yourself or gift your loved ones throughout the year. Now this video is sponsored by Cricut, and we'll get more into that here in just a little bit. But I did want to thank you guys so much for being here for today's video and supporting my channel. It truly does mean so much. Now, as always, I will have everything that I can linked in the description box. So if you do see something you like in today's video, make sure to check down there. Now, if you're not already, please make sure to subscribe and follow me over on my other social media accounts like Instagram and TikTok. I would love to have you guys over there. The links will always be down below as well. And now let's go ahead and get into decorating and DIYing. Getting right into the decorate with me, we are first going to start in our half bath that is right across from our kitchen, starting with a new vase and some new greenery. I wanted to still keep it pretty minimal in here, but I hadn't changed the vase and greenery stems in quite some time, since Christmas actually, so I'm trying something new. I did get this vase from Amazon. It's one of my favorites, and it used to be in our entryway, but I decided to try it in our bathroom, and I do really enjoy it. These greenery stems are from Target. They did bring something back similar, so I will have that linked below, but I am just putting 2 of the stems in there, and then I'm going to add in some artwork as well on the floating shelf. These are both from Target, unfortunately unavailable, but I will try to link something similar if I can. I tried out this gold frame first, didn't like the way that it looks, so I added in this smaller black frame that actually came with the other framed artwork. Looks so much better in my opinion, and I love putting small artwork on here. For the vanity, I'm taking this little burlap vase that's ceramic. I love the little bow on it, and then adding in some greenery as well, and just popping that on the right side of the vanity next to the faucet. I always get so many questions on our half bathroom. We did this makeover 2 years ago, and I absolutely love the way that it looks to this day. Unfortunately, the vanity has been sold out on Lowe's, but there is something similar in the same size, so I will have that linked below. Moving over to our entryway, again keeping things very simple, not adding in too many new things, starting with the lamp on the left side that is from Kirkland's, and then adding in 2 of my favorite coffee table books. On top of the books, I'm going to take these ceramic houses that I got from the vintage market a couple years ago. These were hiding in one of our cabinets, and I found them the other day, so I thought these would be kind of cute here. And then on the right side, I'm just adding in some vases. The first vase is from Target, and the second one is from Walmart. I will have those linked below. I'm adding in some of these beautiful greenery stems that I found on Etsy. You guys seem to love them over on Instagram and here on YouTube. They are so realistic looking, and I have them all around our home. Moving over to our guest bedroom, we're going to add some spring touches to the bathroom. So I'm taking this little wooden pedestal with a potted plant, and then I'm adding in these little glass bamboo containers that I got from Amazon. They just have some cotton swabs and some dental floss as well, so if we do have any guests. For this little stool by the shower, I'm just adding in this little pot that I got from Walmart, and then adding in some of my favorite pink cosmos that I got from Hobby Lobby. Unfortunately, I can't link Hobby Lobby things, so I will link a similar option that is from Amazon. To finish off this space, I'm just adding in some new artwork that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple months back. Very subtle changes, but I do enjoy changing decor for the seasons in our space. Now I'm trying out 2 different bows on my bunny topiaries that I got from Walmart, so you guys will have to let me know which you like in the comments below. I ended up going with the white ribbon around the neck area, which you guys will see here at the end, but definitely let me know which one you prefer. These bunnies have been coming in and out of stock, so make sure to follow me over on Instagram if you still want to get your hands on these, because I will be posting in stock notifications over on my Instagram stories. So the pots that I have the bunny topiaries in are from Walmart as well, but I'm adding in some of this moss that I got from Amazon, and I'm just putting that on top of some of the cardboard pieces that I have inside of the pots holding the bunny topiaries in place. This obviously isn't necessary, but I just think it's a nice finishing touch. You'll have to let me know in the comments below, like I said, if you like the bows around the neck or if you think I should put the pink bows on one of the ears. Now moving on to our DIYs with Cricut, getting everything out that we will need for this first DIY. We're going to be making a makeup bag or pencil bag, whatever you would want to use it for. I'm actually going to be making this for my mom. I found this really pretty initial with some pretty Hawaiian flowers on it. I'm going to be cutting this design with my black vinyl. I thought this would look so pretty on that bag, and I'm actually going to be using the heat transfer vinyl for this one as well. I love Cricut machines because you can personalize any gift, making it more meaningful. My mom is one of the most thoughtful people I know, so I always like to make her gifts I know she will cherish and appreciate. Once the design has finished cutting, I'm going to remove it from the mat and cut a little square around the design, making it easier to remove the excess vinyl. I always like to keep a ruler or tape measure when I am doing Cricut projects just to make sure that everything is even. I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press Mini for this. This was the first time that I was using this tool, and I absolutely love it for smaller projects. I do have the full-size Easy Press, which is great for t-shirts or sweatshirts, things like that, but this was so much easier than lugging out the larger machine. They do have a Cricut heat press guide on their website, so make sure to look that up when you are using any of their heat presses. Once I take the clear backing off, it is complete. I absolutely love the way that it came out, and I know my mom is going to love it. So next up, I'm going to be making a personalized notebook. Now I'm just searching through on the Cricut Access page for a flower that I liked, and then I'm just going to be putting that into my canvas. I'm also going to be writing my name because we are making this project for myself. I needed a new notebook for my social media stuff, so I thought I would include it. I not only love to gift people things, but I also like to make meaningful things that I know I can use every single day. I also cut out my social media handle, Molly Nicole Home, to add to the front of the notebook. I absolutely love the way that it looks on the leather notebook that I got for this project. I just thought it was a fun little way to personalize something that I needed and am going to use every day. Once we have those two things cut out, the flower and my name, I'm just going to use some transfer tape to transfer those over to the notebook that I got. I I did have a general idea on where I wanted these to go, but I am just going to try the flower on both sides of the notebook to see which I prefer. Once I have the side selected, I'm just going to place that down and then use my spatula from Cricut to transfer it on to the notebook. I am also making sure that I will have room for my name to go on the bottom as well. A very simple and easy project, but I absolutely love the way that it turned out, and I can't wait to use this notebook for all of my social media needs. For this third DIY, I'm going to be making a wide tooth comb that is personalized for me and my niece. If you have been around for a while, you know that I absolutely adore my niece and nephew. They are our entire world and we have them quite often, so I thought this would be kind of fun to personalize a wide tooth comb for her to be able to comb out her hair after she gets out of the shower here at our house. Again, this is such a simple and easy project, but it makes it all the more meaningful that I'm able to personalize it for her and I. Since filming this video, I have shown her these combs and she absolutely loves them, so it just makes it so special when people really appreciate you going above and beyond for making a gift more personalized and meaningful. The last DIY I am going to make are these bookmarks. I absolutely love reading when I have the time to, which is typically when we're on vacation, laying by a pool, but I also have so many friends that enjoy reading as well, so I am going to be making some for them. I love that with the Cricut Access membership, you get access to so many fun designs that people have already created that you can recreate. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm going to be making 2 bookmarks for this video. I did get a bunch of bookmarks, so I am going to be making more in the future, but I really liked these with the checkered pattern, and I loved the sayings on them as well. There are so many different designs that you can pick from if you do have the Cricut Access membership, so you can find something that whoever you are gifting these to would like. Now the bookmarks do come with little tassels, so once I have the vinyl on, I will be adding those. Now this is super fun because you can gift these with their favorite book or a book that you think they would like, but it just adds that nice personal touch. Once we have the tassels on, that is going to complete the 4th and final DIY with our Cricut machines. I hope that you enjoyed seeing some of these DIY gift ideas and can get some inspiration if you need any gifts coming up. Here is an overview of all of the gifts that I DIY'd with my Cricut. If you haven't already, please make sure to check out Cricut. I will have all of the links in the description box down below. Thank you so much to them for sponsoring today's video, and thank you to you guys for watching today's video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!